Good morning, class 7th. Welcome to maths class. Today we will continue the same chapter, chapter 5th, exponent and power, exercise 5.2. Question number first, simplify and express in exponential form. Question is 3 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 8. Now multiply sign is here and base is same 3, 3, 3, but power is different. If base is same and power is different and multiply sign is here, then power will be added. 3 raised to power 2 plus 5 plus 8. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15. So the answer is 3 raised to power 15. Next question, 3 raised to power 15 divided by 3 raised to power 10 into 3 raised to power 10. Now base is same, power is different, but divide sign is here. So power will be subtracted. 3 raised to power 15 minus 10 into 3 raised to power 10 will be as it is. So 3 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 10. Now base is same, power is different, multiply sign is here, so power will be added. 3 raised to power 5 plus 10, 3 raised to power 15. This is the answer. Next, 6 raised to power 0 plus 7 raised to power 0 plus 8 raised to power 0. If power is 0 of any number, then the answer is 1. 6 raised to power 0, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer is 3. Next, 1 raised to power 0 minus 3 raised to power 0 in first bracket. In next bracket, 5 raised to power 0 into 7 raised to power 0. 1 raised to power 0, 1. 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. If any number is multiplied by 0, we get answer is 0. So answer is 0 here. Next question, simplify 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 8. 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 4. 4 we can write as 2 into 2. 3 is as it is. 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 4. 2 here 2 times, we can write 2 raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 raised to power 3. So 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, you can cancel it. What is the left terms? 3 raised to power 4 into 2 raised to power 2 into 3, we can write as 3 raised to power 1. So 3 raised to power 4 minus 1. Here 3 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 1. These are divided and base is same, so power will be subtracted. 3 raised to power 4 minus 1 into 2 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 2. Now 3 we have to write here 3 times 2, 2 times. So we get 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 4, we get 104 answer here. Next question, 2 raised to power 8 into a raised to power 6 by 4 raised to power 2 into a raised to power 3. Now 2 raised to power 8 into a raised to power 6 as it is. 4 we can write 2 raised to power 2 whole power 2 into a raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 8 into a raised to power 6 by 2 raised to power 2 to the 4 power 4 into a raised to power 3. Now 2 raised to power 8 and 2 raised to power 4. These two are dividing, so power will be subtracted. 2 raised to power 8 minus 4. Same here, a raised to power 6 minus 3. 2 raised to power 4, a raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 4, we have to write here 4 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into a raised to power 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 into a raised to power 3 is the answer. Question number 3rd, true false. 5 raised to power 3 less than 2 raised to power 5. So we have to solve it first. 5 raised to power 3, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. 2 raised to power 5, we have to write here 5 times, answer is 32. So 5 raised to power 3, 125 less than 2 raised to power 5, 32. But this is not possible, it is false. Next, find the value of x. Question is 2 raised to power x equal to 256. Now 256, we can by the prime factorization, we can factorize 256 2, then we get 128 divide by 2 again. So here by prime factorization we get here 2 8 times. So 256 we can write here 2 raised to power x equal to 2 raised to power 8. Now base is same, equal sign is here, so power will be equal. X equal to 8 is the answer. Next question, 7 raised to power 2x plus 1 divided by 7 raised to power 3 equal to 7 raised to power 4. Now base is same, divide sign is here, power will be minus. 7 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 3 equal to 7 raised to power 4. 7 raised to power 2x, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2x minus 2 equal to 7 raised to power 4. Base is same, equal sign is here, power will be equal, 2x minus 2 equal to 4. So 2x equal to 4 plus 2, 2x equal to 6, x equal to 6 divided by 2, x equal to 3. So value of x is 3. Next question. By what number should minus 9 raised to power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient is 18 raised to power minus 1? So let the required number be x. If we divide minus 9 raised to power minus 1 by x, we get 18 raised to power minus 1. First step, we have to make the power positive. 1 by, if we have to make the power positive, then the number will be reciprocal. 1 by minus 9 raised to power 1 divided by x equal to 1 by 18 raised to power 1. 1 by minus 9 raised to power 1, 1 by minus 9 into, change the divide sign into multiply, we get 1 by x equal to 1 by 18. Now by cross multiply, we get 18 by minus 9 equal to x. Cancel it, we get minus 2. Value of x is minus 2. So the required number is minus 2. So you have to try exercise 5.2. Thank you so much.